Hi, in this video we are going to see the important question of Rust stack versus heap in Rust. Okay, so this is the interview question and answer that useful for clearing any Rust interview. Okay, so we will starting the video. Explain stack versus heap in heap memory in Rust. Rust uses both stack and heap memory. The stack store fixed size data with known size at compile time, such as integer, boolean, and references. Stack allocation is very fast because memory is managed automatically using a last in first out structure. The heap stored dynamically sized data like a string, vector, and hash map. Heap allocation is slower because memory must be requested from operating system and Rust track it through the ownership. When a stack value like I32 is assigned, it copied because it has a fixed size. Over where heap allocation type like string move ownership instead of copying the heap data to avoid expensive memory copies. This design gives Rust both high performance and memory safety. So these are the follow-up question. What is the difference between stack and heap? The stack store fixed size data and provide very fast memory allocation and delocation. The heap stored data, the heap stored dynamically sized data require explicit allocation and is generally slower but more flexible. Why stack faster than heap? The stack follow a simple LIFO-FIFO last in first out structure, so allocation and delocation only adjust the stack pointer. Heap allocation requires searching for available memory and managing fragmentations. Why does a string uses heap? Because its size can be changed at runtime. Since the compiler don't know its size during the compilation, the actual data is stored on the heap. Why does I32 implement copy but string does not? I32 has fixed size, can be copied efficiently. String over heap memory, so copying it implicitly would be expensive and could lead to double free errors. Rust uses ownership transfer instead. What is stored on the stack for a string? The stack store the pointer length and capacity. The actual string data is stored on the heap. What happens when a string goes out of scope? Rust automatically calls the drop trait, which releases the heap memory owned by the string. Why is heap allocation expensive? Heap allocation involves requesting memory from the allocator, finding a suitable memory block, and maintaining allocations metadata, making it slower than stack allocation. How does understanding stack versus heap help in backend development? It helps reduce unnecessary allocation and cloning, result in lower memory usage, lower latency, and high throughput in production services. Does every variable live on either stack or heap? Yes. Variables themselves are typically stored on the stack, but they may be open on reference data stored on the heap depending on the types. Why is stack versus heap important in Rust interview? Because the ownership model, borrowing moves, clone, smart pointers, and performance optimization all depend on understanding where data is stored and how it managed.